So here's where my truck was just stuck. This would be the center of the driveway, and there's where the rear end of the truck was heading. There's kind of a low point here in the driveway right before this birch. And 2 trucks have already skidded off the driveway and hit this poor tree in the past. Have tried to have it fixed, but some people don't listen. Yeah, I didn't get it on film, but my truck was stuck here for 2.5 days before somebody happened by with a tractor and was able to pull me out. This farm needs a tractor. This farm needs a tractor. I don't know how many times I can say it. This farm desperately needs a tractor. Vehicles get stuck in the driveway. I can't plow it. There isn't any way to move those big marshmallow hay bales. It's problem after problem that could be averted by having basic farming equipment. It's been a major pain in the balls, let me tell you. Ordered some of those traction boards for when this happens next time. This can see the ruts are pretty deep here, and silly me, there's all-season radials on the truck instead of snow tires. I figured they would be okay because they actually tend to do pretty awesome in the snow. Up until this point where, once it's too deep, forget it. And I have tire chains and all that good stuff, but you can see that it got a little deep, and then with the rut down there was just no chance. Started sliding backwards off in that direction. As you can see, that direction is a big no-no. Could have ended up right down the hill. So that wouldn't have been good. I don't know if the traction boards would have gotten me out of here, but I'm sure there'll be another episode this winter soon where I will need them and I have to test them out. So when those come and are needed, will definitely be a video on that. Wish I had some more cash into fixing this truck up and really getting it good for winter. Need some body work. Front bumper with a winch would be awesome, although there was nowhere to hook onto in this case in the front. In this particular situation, I would have had to be pulled out by another vehicle probably, unless those traction boards really work well. We'll find out. But yeah, some body work, some snow tires. Would like to upgrade the brakes and a bunch of other goodies. Have to start doing videos about the truck. It's a 88 Toyota pickup, and lots of mods I want to do to it. But finances. So yeah, truck was very stuck. Now it's not. Taking preventative measures and really need to figure out how to get a used tractor.